There is a new niche people are using to create hilarious and viral cat story videos with AI. And in this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to do it in just 3 easy steps. So you can see this channel right here just by making cat story videos like this, gets millions of views on each video and earns up to $246,000 per month. That's a huge number, right? And another channel also makes cat story videos, racks up millions of views and earns up to $120,000 per month. And guess what? All of these videos are made using AI. And I'm here to share their secret recipe. And the first step is to create a funny cat story using ChatGPT. And here you can ask ChatGPT to come up with 10 ideas for your story. And then choose the one that you like the most and ask it to generate a detailed script with dialogue, scene descriptions, and humor. And you will have a fun and creative cat story in just 2 and 3 minutes. And next, we will create images for each scene in the script using Leonardo AI. And you can use another tools, but I recommend Leonardo AI because it's free and it can generate high quality images. So simply take the descriptions from your script and fit them into Leonardo. For example, with the first scene here, close up of a mischievous cat, you can also add extra details to create a more refined image prompt. However, you can also just use the description generated by ChatGPT and paste it into Leonardo AI. And then Leonardo will generate 4 images. So choose one and download it to your PC. And for the next scene, cat curiously pawing at a shiny button on a time machine. Also paste that into Leonardo, but to ensure the character looks consistent, you should click the button for more generation info right here and copy the seed from the previous image and paste it here. So here are 4 images that I have that Leonardo has generated using the same sheet as the previous image. But you can see Leonardo can generate identical images 100% of the time, but they will look similar enough for you to use. So download one image to your PC and repeat these steps for every scene in the script. And finally, it's time to put everything together in CapCut. So upload your AI generated images and then arrange them according to your script. And also don't forget to add some background meow meow music to your video. And here I recommend searching for meow meow music. Also include no copyright in your search key and on YouTube to find the audio. And then download it and insert it into your video. And you can also add text overlays and sound effects for extra humor. And if you're done, upload the video to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, and that's it. In just 3 simple steps, you can create hilarious viral cat story videos using AI. So start generating funny ideas, bring them to life with Leonardo AI, and edit them into a masterpiece with CapCut. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.